Hello there. In this video I'm going to talk about the range form of the for loop. So let me show you an example right away. Let's open terminal, go new one. There we go. Let me write a program, quick one. So what you need to know is that the range form is going to do an iteration on each element of a slice, for example, almost automatically. Let me just write it down. An example. Let's call a slice of string and put word. What word one? Gonna do it this way. Easier. Copy. Take. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Save it for now. So now, let me show you an example of the range. So you start with a for, you write range in this case, and what you're going to do is that you're going to range over the slice. I declare. Okay. In this case, this will return two values. The first one is the index. So let's call it the index. And the second one is each one of the element of that slice. So it's going to be world. If I leave it this way, now we have to decide what we're gonna do with it, both of them. So let's do a simple print. Printf, println, printf. So the index is, let's put the value is, and the element is and I want to print the index and the world in this way. So let's save it, no issues. So what will happen? Doing it this way, my for will go over each iteration, each element of that slice, and for each, I do not need to put 9++, or it's not like the other types of loops I've just seen in other videos. In this case, it's a bit more automatic. So let's test it. There you go. I'm going to put a \n because it's not very clear for each one. Let's do it again so it's clear. There you go. So here you have an example of the for range. Let's say that you do not need the index. You need to iterate on each of the element of a slice, but you don't want the index. You don't know what to do with it. The only thing you need to do is that you put an underscore saying pretty much that you don't need this value. And you can erase the rest. The element is doing it this way. Saves you the work. And voila. This is an example of two examples of the use of a range over a slice. It can be used for other things, but for now, this is the only one I'm going to show you. And it's a good tool to master, and I hope you make the best of it. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention.